Hey guys, it's Bryn down at MasterCraft Vineyard. We're just talking about the safety features on the new X series. We just want to keep your family safe on the lakes this summer. So the first safety feature being the map. When we use the map, we're able to pick points and set locations anywhere on the lake or around the lake and be able to set them, name them, and get us to where we need to go. That's super nice for when we're in Lake Powell and places like Bear Lake where you are on big lakes or in canyons and it's harder to find your way out. It just keeps your family safe and allows you to get back to where you need to go. So the second batch of features is the lights inside and around the boat, the tower camera, and the auto volume. The lights inside and around the boat are just to keep you safe while you're inside the boat, and also here in Utah when the season's so short, we want to keep our boating days as long as we possibly can, so we're able to use those lights to stay on the lake longer. The auto volume is here on the dash, and that allows you to focus on your rider and focus on everything else and enjoy your experience, but when you need to keep it quiet and you're picking up a rider, you need to focus on other things, the boat automatically does that for you. The tower camera allows you to focus on things while you're driving ahead and not have to keep looking back at your rider to keep you and your rider and all your passengers safe. So that last batch of features that we're talking about is the cruise control and the thrusters. The thrusters allow you to maneuver your boat and do 360s in narrow areas and also just help you with docking and getting yourself and your passengers safely where you are. And the cruise control helps you focus on what's ahead in your rider rather than focusing and continuing to focus on your speed as you're boating and pulling your riders. These are just a few of the safety features on the X series. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out or come visit us at the Vineyard location or the South Jordan location. We're excited to see you guys out on the lake. Have fun and be safe this summer.